can't do this right here now. Please leave the premises. Distance is your number one safety.
I just completed Cert 3 Cash in Transit. Awesome course, awesome staff, awesome atmosphere. Highly recommended for everyone.
Yeah, my name is Solomon. I just completed my Cert 2 and 3 in Cash in Transit and then Security Operations. I think this place is a very wonderful facility because they have all the equipment and training facilities that actually make you to learn more extensively. And I think the instructors are very, very wonderful because they give you all the support needed for you to successfully complete this unit. And if you don't understand anything, they are always willing to help you and to definitely make you to stand in the crowd. And I would definitely recommend anyone considering to do Cert 2 and 3 Security Operation and a Cash in Transit Endorsement with SIG because they give a well-tailored training to all their students.
I've since completed my Cert 2 and Cert 3 in Security Ops. I also chose to do my Cash in Transit studies here, and I qualified today for the handgun orientation. The staff are professional, they're world class. The safety out of the gun range was fantastic.